MLS teams keep that stat now, safe parries. Gonçalves, a big mistake there, pounced on by Sebastien Le Toux, 1-0 Philadelphia. Nothing Brad Knight could do there.
Well, we spoke to Jogo before the game, and he was absolutely, it was key that they scored, that took the chance, and key that they defended much better. They give away some sloppy goals. In this case, it's a ball just pumped all the way down, very, very simple ball. Two players fighting for it, and Jogo, he doesn't get enough weight on the header, ball drops to Le Toux, and he just pokes the ball past Brad Knight. Yeah, it was poaching. I mean, that's a poacher's goal. Le Toux has been doing that over his career for many, many years.